Hi, we're up to assembling the top of the post now. This is what it will look like when we're finished. But to begin with, what you need to do or realise is this flat piece is the front of the post, and the back of the post has the channels, and that channel can take lights as well as these blocks. So what you need to do is put the block in and simply twist it around. Make sure the top of the block lines up with the top of the post, and then you simply take one of the posts, the top of the post, slide it over the block, tap it in, and then fix it into position with 2 screws.